The Stranger Things X Converse All Star Aged 8017's High Navy brings fans deeper into the tension, mystery, and nostalgia of the hit Netflix series ahead of its final chapter releasing in November 2025. Built on the vintage All Star Aged model, this collaboration highlights 1980s craftsmanship through washed navy canvas, angular stitching, and a special Stranger Things 1987 heel label. Embroidered graphics inspired by the Squawk radio station create a striking contrast against the distressed upper, while the red lettering beneath the ankle patch adds an electrifying pop of color. 6 multicolored laces echo the feel of scattered radio signals from the upside down, giving the sneaker a lively rhythm, with an optional black lace set for a calmer, darker aesthetic. Inside, high-density urethane foam delivers solid comfort, enhancing everyday wear. Finished with glossy off-white toe tape and a vintage-style silver box, this release feels like a wearable memory, perfect for fans anticipating the series finale. The pair officially drops on November 27.